Hi Anand, welcome to all of you in my channel Join for Education. Today I am going to discuss about a different structure of present perfect continuous tense. Let us develop the class. Assertive, affirmative, active structure of present perfect continuous tense is in this way: subject plus has have any one of these two plus been plus fourth form of the verb plus object. Example is in this way, such as Ram has been reading a book. So this structure indicates that assertive, affirmative or active of present perfect continuous tense. Let us discuss about the interrogative structure of present perfect continuous tense, which is in this way: has have any one of these two plus subject plus been plus fourth form of the verb plus object, and at last we put note of interrogation. Example is in this way, such as has Ram been reading a book, note of interrogation. If we discuss about the use of the has and have, then has is used with the all subjects which are in third person singular number, whereas have is used in all subjects which are in singular or plural number of first person, singular or plural number of second person, and plural number of third person. So it is very clear the using of the has and have. Let us discuss next structure of present perfect continuous tense, which is in this way, and this structure is also known as the negative structure of present perfect continuous tense. The structure is in this way: subject plus has have any one of these two. After that we write not or put not plus been plus fourth form of the verb plus object. Example is in this way, such as Ram has not been reading a book. So this is the negative structure of the present perfect continuous tense. Thanks to watch or continue with me or stay with me till the last details of the different structure of the present perfect continuous tense. Once again I recap all structure.